a heart that grieves for the blood of our innocent brothers we have normalized. From the burning streets of Gaza, where children sleep under the shadow of bombs night, to the shattered homes of Sudan, where 12 million people displaced by war, to the lockdown valley of Kashmir, where generations grow up under the military occupation, my heart shatters in pieces when I witness the brutalism taking place with the people of Syria. My peace shatters when I see the genocide taking place with the people of Sudan. Mr. President, when I see this darkened time, the moral collapse, I go in past. My mind forces me to travel back into the time when Muslims were not known for wars, not for broken borders, but for faith, justice, unity. We did not rule through fear, but through character. From the libraries of Baghdad to the court of Andalusia, we built empires not with weapon, but through faith, wisdom, and vision. Alas, Mr. President, today the flame has faded. We have gold, but no greatness. We are rich. We are in numbers, but we are weak. Yet nations do not fall overnight, but it begins with corruption. It continues with disunity. Mr. President, we must understand it ends in silence in the face of injustice. That's what destroyed us then. That's what is destroying us now. But here questions are arising in my mind. How long will the justice be delayed? How long will the fear be taking places in the beautiful minds of our children? How long will I witness a mother weep in Sudan? How long will I see the genocide taking place in Syria? A father beaten in Kashmir, peace shattered in Afghanistan. Mr. President, enough is enough. It must be the time to rise again and become a change to stand as one great Muslim Ummah, to rule the world. It must be the time to replace greed with unity, disaster with dignity, and regain the greatness, values we have lost. It must be the time to become Iqbal's Shaheen, fearless, and teach the world that we are not a broken nation. We are sleeping giant ready to rise. It must be the time that every heart become a voice, every voice become an action, every action become a step toward a revival, because nation do not rise by chance. It rises by choice, and the choice is ours.